Hey, this is Amy. I actually made a song dedicated to the victims of Hurricane Sandy, and the song is called A Hand, and I would like to share it. So, here we go. Have you ever gone without food for days? Have you ever seen an open field where houses once laid? Have you ever seen tears from strangers that made you cry? Did you ever have no place to live and your heart was filled with pride? I did. Oh yeah, I did. I don't ask for much, this is all I need now, because the storm has turned my life upside down. All I need is a hand to help me so I can stand. All I need is a hand. A hand, a hand, a hand, a hand. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.